The unresponsive taskbar can be caused by many reasons, such as corrupt graphics drivers, auto-hide issues, software conflict and others. First, let's try restarting Windows Explorer. Press the displayed key simultaneously. In the list, locate Windows Explorer process, right-click on it and select Restart. Wait till Windows restarts Windows Explorer and see if problem persists. Corrupted or damaged system files are the most common issue which initiates errors like this one. Therefore, it's advisable to check and fix the improper Windows files. Press the displayed key simultaneously. Then, from menu select File and Run New Task. Type in CMD and check the box to run this task with administrative privileges. Type in the given command. After the process is finished, close command prompt and reboot the system. Now let's try re-registering your taskbar. Press the displayed key simultaneously. Then, from menu select File and Run New Task. Type in the displayed command. Check the box to run this task with administrative privileges and click OK. In PowerShell, type in the given command and press Enter. After the process is finished, in PowerShell type in services.msc. In newly opened window, find service, title data model server. If you find it, stop it. If it is not there, proceed further. Close down PowerShell and navigate to the given location. Once there, find folder named as displayed and delete it. Now let's try uninstalling the latest graphics drivers. Press the displayed key simultaneously. Then, from menu select File and Run New Task. Type in Control Panel and in newly opened window select Device Manager. In Device Manager, find your graphics adapter under Display Adapters entry. Right-click on the adapter, select Properties and in newly opened window select Driver tab. Once there, click on Rollback Driver button, select the reason for uninstallation and click Yes. Wait for the process to finish. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more videos.